Top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. C-code car, 289. Power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. C4 automatic. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. Repaint to red. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Good looking grille with the driving lights. Mustang in the stable, of course. Check out the still pictures on this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel wheels with the classic Mustang wheel cover. Great look to this car. White wall radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches in this one. You may see an imperfection in the clear of the paint here or there, but boy, overall, nice look, nice shine to that paint. Interior's been recovered. Bucket seats up front, that red and white combination. I did leave this radio on, so I would remember to mention that it is wired direct, so not only when you turn the ignition off, you'll need to turn the radio off. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust with an H-pipe. Convertible top cover, or parade boot, if you will. Nice shape, nice tight fit. And once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. A few things to mention on this car. New battery, new tranny pan gasket and filter, new steering and suspension components, new brake pads / shoes, since we have those disc brakes up front. Also, new calipers and wheel cylinders. As we take a look down this driver's side, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, especially if you like Mustangs. You never know what you may see come in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes as far as in the vinyl seats. Be a nice car for Sunday afternoons, weekend driving, top down, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Have some fun with this one. All right, that radio is working, hooked up, speakers in the kick panels. For doubting what you feel. Let's go ahead and fire it up. This thing always pops right off anytime I've started it. Top of the dash looking good. Did notice the heater box behind the glove box has been removed too. Give you a heads up on that. Let's take a listen. Not only looks good, sounds good. Let's check out this engine bay, then I'm going to show you the top going up and check out the condition of that, show it going back down. And if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. This engine bay is just clean and tidy in general. Aluminum radiator. There it is at 289. And again, power steering, power brakes. Don't always see that on the early Mustangs. Battery disconnect down here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Electric fan. Good looking engine bay. Let me go ahead and get the tripod set up and we'll check out this convertible top. check this convertible top out. White vinyl, as you can see. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Rolled up the side glass too, so you can see how that fits. I have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Looks like a newer top. Rear window nice and clear. And passenger side glass and top. All right, I'll show you going back down too real quick. And like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible, C-code car, 289 V8 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible in red inside and out with white inserts on the bucket seats. Looking good. Wood steering wheel with a great look to it. This is an automatic right here on the floor, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Our turn signals are working. We do have the top up today. It is a cold, windy day in Minnesota. As you can see, it is winter, but we do wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. Speedometer is working, the fuel gauge showing a full tank. Temp gauge has not come off of cold yet. I'll let you know if that moves. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. That sounds good. Coming out the front speakers. Wipers work. Nice looking carpet. Good ride down the road. Firm enough to feel the road, as you should in a nice sporty car. Letting go of the wheel, it stays straight in the lane. Another major icon of American cars, the Ford Mustang, and this, a red convertible. Even non-car people will go, that is a cool car. Brakes are working very well. Steers easily, stays nice and flat in the corners. Accelerates as you would expect. Be sure to check out all the pictures and details of this Ford Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.